Begin in Tadasana, mountain pose, with your feet together and arms alongside your body. Distribute the weight evenly in your feet. If you have a hard time staying balanced here, stand with the feet hip distance apart and parallel to one another. On an exhale, step your left leg about 4 to 5 feet to the back of you and turn your back foot at about 45-degree angle so the toes are pointed towards the top left corner of your mat. The front toes are pointed forwards and are parallel with the front edge of your mat. You want to have a heel-to-heel alignment between the feet. Keep the hips turned towards the front of your mat like two headlights pointing forwards. On an exhale, bend your right knee to 90 degrees so that the knee is directly over the ankle and the shin is perpendicular to the floor. Make sure the knees do not overextend and that you can still see your toes. Distribute the weight evenly through the front foot as you lift the inner arch and root down through the corners of your feet. Engage the quad of the back leg. The leg should be straight without locking out the knees. Root down the outer edge of the back foot into the ground as you press into the big toe mound. On an inhale, lift the arms up above the head, broaden the collarbones, rotate the triceps or pinky side of the hands in towards one another as you draw the shoulders away from the ears. Your fingers are actively reaching up towards the sky. Arms are either parallel to one another or palms are pressing together. Lengthen the tailbone down towards the earth as you draw the navel gently in and up towards the spine and tuck the lower ribs in. Don't slump your lower back. Gaze forward and slightly upward. To get out of the posture, straighten the front leg, lower the arms and bring the back leg forward and come back to mountain pose and repeat to the left side.